Hello everyone. In this session, we will continue with our linear equations, some more word problems on linear equations. Now we will enter into the session. If a number of which the half of it is greater than 1/5 of the number by 15, then find the number. Right. So first of all, let us consider the number as x. Let the number be x. What is given? Given half of that number, that is x by 2, half of that number is greater than 1/5 of the number by 15. Means it is greater, so definitely this is larger. X by 2 is larger. 1/5 of that number means x by 5. That gives you 15. So once we form the equation, then it is only a matter of solving it. So here we have the LCM for 2 and 5 is 10. So this becomes now 2 into 5 times is 10. So that means this is 5x. And here it is 5 into 2 times is 10. So it becomes 2x is 15. Or we can say 3x is equal to 115, or x is equal to 150 by 3, so it becomes 50. So the desired number is 50. Right. Now let us move on to the next question. Here, in this question, monthly incomes of 2 persons are in the ratio 4:5, and their monthly expenses are in the ratio 7:9. If each saves rupees 50 per month, then find their monthly incomes. So one thing is clear, we know income minus savings, the balance will be our expenses. Or we can also write it as income minus expenses is equal to savings. That means income minus savings is equal to expenses. One and the same. Bringing this side, it will become negative. This will, if I bring this side, it will become positive. So it is like that. Now, we are supposed to find the monthly incomes. Let the monthly incomes be x comma y. So what is given? Monthly income of the persons are in the ratio 4:5. Means given x by y is 4/5, because that is given in the form of a ratio. This is one thing what they are given, which means by cross multiplication, this and this, I can say 5x is equal to 4y, or 5x minus 4y equal to 0. Let me call this as equation 1. Then what it says further, and their monthly expenses are in the ratio 7:9, right? If each saves rupees 50 per month, means person X, person Y, they are going to save 50. So I know income minus savings. So I will subtract 50 in both numerator as well as denominator. That gives me a ratio of the expenses, that is 7:9, means 7/5. 9. Now, from this, I can again cross multiply. 9 times x minus 50 means 9x minus 9 into 50 becomes 450 is equal to 7 times y minus 7 into 50. So it becomes 350. So we can rewrite this. I can bring this 7y to the left hand side. It becomes negative. Take this 450 negative to the right hand side. It becomes positive minus 350. Or we can rewrite it as 9x minus 7y equal to 100. Let me call this as equation 2. Now we need to solve this equation 1 and 2. Let us think about something common number to be brought in, means 5 and 9. If I multiply this 5 by 9, I will get 45. If I multiply this 9 by 5, I will get 45. So what I am going to do is that first equation, I'll multiply by the entire equation, I'll multiply it by 9. So what do we get? 9 5s are 45 times x. 9 4s are 36. So it becomes negative 36y is equal to 9 into 0. It is 9. Call this as third equation. Then similarly, the second equation, we decided to multiply it by 5 so that we get a common coefficient 45 in this equation as well as the next equation. So 2 times 5, what do we get? 9 into 5, so it becomes 45x minus 5 into 7, it becomes 35y is equal to 5 into 100, it is 500. So that gives us our new fourth equation. Now we can subtract third and fourth equation. What do we get? We get 45x gets cancelled. Minus 36y minus of minus 35y is equal to 0 minus 500. It becomes minus 500. Or minus 36y plus 35y is equal to minus 500. Or minus y equal to minus 500 means y is 500. Means the income of the second person is 500. Now we have this equation 5x minus 4y equal to 0. From the first equation, we have, what is that? 5x minus 4y minus 4 times y. Y we already found, it is 500 is equal to 0, which means 5x is equal to, if I multiply these two, it is 2000 negative. If I take it to the other side, it becomes positive, which means our x is 400. So therefore, the monthly incomes are 400, 500, means x and y. Let's move on to the next question. Find the fraction which is equal to 1 by 2 when both its numerator and denominator are increased by 2. It is equal to 3 by 4, which is equal to, the fraction is equal to 3 by 4 when both are increased by 12. So to start with, I will say let the fraction be x by y. Now, what is given? this fraction, this x by y equal to 1 when both this numerator, that is x, and denominator y are increased by 2. Means given x and y, if I increase both numerator and denominator by 2, then this fraction is equal to 1 by 2. Again, cross multiplying these two, we get 2x plus 4 is equal to y plus 2. Means 2x minus y is equal to 2 minus 4, which will be negative 2. Or simply I can write it as 2x minus y equal to minus 2. Call this as equation 1. Then the fraction is becoming 3 by 4 when both are increased by 12. That is the second point what is given. So given the fraction is becoming 3 by 4 when they are increased, means the denominator and numerator are increased by 12. So this here it is plus 12. Here also it is plus 12. Then it becomes 3 by 4. Cross multiplying again, we get 4 times x plus 12 times 4 is equal to 3 times y plus 12 times 3. So again, bringing all x and y to one side, 4x minus 3y is equal to 36 minus 48, which again can be rewritten as 4x minus 3y is equal to negative 12. Call this as equation 2. Now, if I have to solve this equation 1 and 2, I may notice here it is coefficient is 2, here it is 4. That means if I multiply this entire equation by 2, this will also become 4x. Let us do that. Now, first equation we can multiply by 2 to get what? 2 into 2, 4x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Call this as equation 3. Now we can subtract second equation and third equation. 4x minus 4x gets cancelled. Minus 3y minus of minus 2y is equal to minus 12 minus of minus 4. So what will happen then? This will be minus 3y plus 2y is equal to minus 12 plus 4. Means minus y equal to minus 8 or y is equal to 8. Now that we got y value, we can find out x value by using either of this 1 or 2 or 3. So let me use 1. First equation says 2x minus y is equal to what? Is equal to minus 2. Means 2x minus 8 equal to 2. Or is that correctly written or not? 2x minus y equal to minus 2. Right. Here it is minus 2. Means 2x equal to 8 minus 2 or 2x equal to 6, which means x is equal to 6 by 2, which is 3. So I can say, therefore, the fraction is x by y, which is 3 by 8. So the required fraction is 3 by 8. So this is the next question. The next one. Age of a person is twice the sum of the ages of his two sons, and 5 years ago his age was thrice the sum of their ages. Find his present age. Right? Again, this person will consider that person as a as father, and father has got two sons. So we will just create one small table, which will be easier for us to do it. Having some. So here we will say father. I'll say son 1, son 2. We don't know. We are supposed to find the present age. Let us assume that for father as X, son 1 as Y, son 2 as Z. The age of the person is twice the sum of the ages of his son, two sons. Means given this X is equal to, I can say, merging these two, sum of these two sons, twice of that, means 2 times y plus z. This is given in the question. Given what it says, age of the person, that is X, is twice the sum of. So I can even put this also. I'm sorry. Let me merge this also. Here I will write X equal to. So father's son is twice the sum of his two sons' ages. So y plus z twice. That is given in the question. 5 years ago. 5 years ago. 5 years ago, father's age would have been x minus 5. Small x. This person's age would have been y minus 5. This person's age would have been z minus 5. Let me make all those smaller letters because I started with small letter. Okay, what is given? 5 years ago, his age was thrice the sum of their ages. Again, I'll merge this. Then I will say given. What is given? 5 years ago, his age means x minus 5 is equal to thrice the sum of their ages, thrice y minus 5 plus z minus 5. That is what is given. Now, based on this understanding, let us solve it. So here we are interested in finding only x. Present age means I am interested in finding what is x. I am not bothered about what is y or what is z. So from this, let me call this as 1. Let me call this as 2. Okay. From 1, I can say x by 2 is y plus z. What I did, I just brought this 2 to the left side. So it will go to the denominator. Okay. Then second equation is what? It is x minus 5 is equal to, here you may notice it is 3 times y, and then here it is minus 5 minus 5. If I add those two, it becomes minus 10. 3 into minus 10 is minus 30, and then plus 3 times z. Or I can simply write this as 3 times y plus z minus 30. Okay, so I can write this as x minus 5. Bring this negative 30 right hand side, whatever it is, to the left side. It will become positive 30 is equal to 3 times y plus z. What is this? This is x plus 25 is equal to 3 times y plus z. Again, I will bring the 3 to the left side. It will go to the denominator. You have y plus z. Now, here also you have y plus z. Here also you have y plus z. That means I can equate this fraction and this fraction, right? So we can say x by 2, I can equate it to x plus 25 by 3. Now we can cross multiply. We get, if I cross multiply, I will have 3x equal to 2x plus 50, or x is equal to 50. What is x? That is the present age of father. So that will be the solution for this particular problem. Right. The next question. A number between 10 and 100. So I can immediately say number between 10 and 100 is a two-digit number. Hence, we will assume the same as 10x plus y. Okay. Now, this number, that is 10x plus y, is 5 times the sum of its digits. So given this 10x plus y is 5 times sum of the digits. Sum of the digits means this x and y, x plus y. So I can rewrite this as 10x plus y is equal to 5x plus 5y. Further, I can write this as 10x minus 5x is equal to 5y minus y. Or we can write it as 5x equal to 4y. Again, I can rewrite this as 5x minus 4y equal to 0. Call this as equation 1. Then further what the question says, if 9 be added to it, means if I add 9 to this number, the digits are reversed. So given 10x plus y plus 9, if 9 is added, what happens? The digits are reversed, means it becomes 10y plus x, which can be written as 10x minus x is equal to 10y minus y. Bring this, what do you call? I can bring everything there only. Sorry. So I took this x there to the left side, it became negative. There is already a y there. Bring this 10y to the, take this 10y to the left side, it becomes negative 10y. Bring that 9 to the right side, it becomes negative 9. So this can be written as 9x minus 9y equal to minus 9. Or dividing both sides by 9, we will have x minus y equal to minus 1. Call this as equation 2. Now, if I multiply this by 5, then here also 5x, here also 5x. So what we do? We'll multiply second equation by 5 to get 5x minus 5y equal to minus 5. Call this as equation 3. Now, subtract equation 1 and equation 3. 5x gets cancelled. Then minus 4y minus of minus 5y is equal to 0 minus of minus 5. So what do we get? Minus 4y minus of minus, it becomes plus 5y is equal to plus 5. That means y is 5. Now we have here second equation to find out x. X minus y, that is x minus 5 equal to minus 1, which means x equal to 5 minus 1, which is 4. Therefore, we got y, we got x. Therefore, the number is 10x plus y, which becomes 10 times 4 plus 5, which is 45. We may verify 45 whether it matches or not. The number between so and so, that is 45, is 5 times the sum of its digits. Means if I add the digits 4 and 5, it is 9. 9 into 5, you get 45 only. Yes. Then if 9 be subtracted, 45 minus 9, you get 34. 34 is nothing but, sorry, 9 if it is subtracted. 45 minus 9, how much we get? You get 36. Isn't it? Something wrong? Oh, 9b added, I think. 9b added. So 45 plus 9, you get 54. 54 is nothing but reverse of 45. Yes, it is matching. The next question. The wages of 8 men and 6 boys amount to rupees 33. So I can first assume here the question is determine the wages of each man and boy. So let X and Y be the wages of each man and boy respectively. Right. So what is given? Given wages of 8 men means given 8 times X plus 6 times Y is amounting to 33. Let me call this as equation 1. Then further what is given? Given 4 men means 4 times X earned, this is total wages of 4 men. 4x means Total ages of 4 men. Earned 4.50 more than 5 boys. Means more than. So I have to subtract 5 times wages of boys. This has to give me 4.5. Okay, let me call this as equation 2. Now I can identify this coefficient and this coefficient. If I multiply this entire equation by 2, this will become 8, so that I can subtract it to eliminate x, right? So what I will do now, second equation multiplied by 2, because 4 2s are 8. So here it becomes 8x minus 10y is equal to 4.5 into 2 is 9. Call this as equation 3. Now we can subtract first and third equation. First equation minus third equation. 8x gets cancelled. 6y minus of minus 10y is equal to 33 minus 9. This becomes 6y plus 10y is equal to 33 minus 9. It becomes 24. Means 16y is 24. So I can say y is 24 by 16. 24 by 16 is nothing but 8 3s are 8 2s are, or I can write this as 1.5. Okay. Now that I got y value, I can find out what is x value by using any of the equation, right? Let me use first equation only. First equation is 8 times x. 8 times x, then plus 6 times y. Plus 6 times y. Y is 1.5. That gives us how much? That gives us 33. Now 8x, 6 into 15 is actually 19, but there is a decimal point, so this becomes 9 is equal to 33, or 8x is equal to 33 minus 9, which becomes 24, or x is 24 by 8, which works out to 3. What is this actually? The question has given everything in rupees, and we know these are wages. So I have to consider this y as well as x as rupees. This is rupees. This is also rupees. X and y is the one which you are interested in finding. You found out that x comma y is rupees 3 comma rupees 1.5. So that will be the solution for this particular problem. Let us move on to the next question. Again, a number consisting of 2 digits means it is a 2-digit number. So first of all, and we are supposed to find the number also. So I can write, let the number be 10x plus y. What is written? The number consisting of 2 digits is 4 times the sum of its digits. So given this number is 4 times the sum of its digits, which means 10x plus y is equal to 4x plus 4y, or 10x minus 4x plus y minus 4y equal to 0, or I can write 6x minus 3y equal to 0. Dividing both sides by 3, we get 2x minus y equal to 0. Call this as equation 1. Right. Then what is the further thing given in the question? And if 27 be added to it, so I will say given to the number, if 27 is added, what happens? The digits are reversed. It becomes 10y plus x. Means 10x, bring this positive x to the left side, it becomes negative x plus y. Take this 10y to the left side, minus 10y. Bring this 27 to the right side, it becomes negative 27. Means 9x minus 9y equal to minus 27. Or I can divide both sides by 9 to get x minus y equal to minus 3. We'll call this as equation 2. Now we have to solve 1 and 2. Means I can directly subtract because here you have minus y, here also minus y. So I can directly subtract 1 and 2. 1 minus 2 will give you what? 2x minus 2x, it is x. Minus y gets cancelled. 0 minus of minus 3, which becomes 0 plus 3, or it is simply 3, which means x is equal to 3. Now, let us use the second equation only. Second equation says x is what? It is 3 minus y is minus 3. So I can take this negative 3 from the right side to the left side, it becomes positive 3. Bring that negative y to the right side, it becomes positive y. That means y is 6. X is 3, y is 6. Therefore, the number is 10x plus y, which is 10 times 3 plus 6, which becomes 36. So the desired number is 36. Let's move on to the next one. Yeah. The question is, of two numbers, 1/5 of the greater is equal to 1/3 of the smaller, and their sum is 16. So let's say, let x comma y be the two numbers, and let x larger than y, because we have to assume one as greater than the other one. So we had assumed x is larger than y. What it says, 1/5 of the greater, given 1/5 of the greater. So 1/5 of the greater number is equal to 1/3 of the smaller number. Means I can simply write it as x by 5 equal to y by 3. Cross multiplying, we will have 3x equal to 5y, or 3x minus 5y equal to 0. Consider this as equation 1. And their sum is 16. So one more thing given x plus y is 16. Call this as equation 2. So either I can multiply x by 3 so that you get same. Let us do that. I will say second equation, I will multiply by 3. So what will happen? 3 into x, 3x, 3 into y, 3y, 3 into 16, 48. Let me call this as equation 3. Now we can subtract first equation minus third equation. 3x gets cancelled. Then minus 5y minus of 3y is equal to 0 minus 48, which means negative 8y equal to negative 48, or y is equal to negative 48 by negative 8, which becomes 6. Okay, now I got y as 6. Let me consider second equation. X plus 6 equal to 16, which means x is 16 minus 6, which is 10. So I can say, therefore, the numbers are 10, comma 6. X comma y. X is 10, y is 6. Right? So the next question, let's move on. Yeah, the question is, y is older than x by 7 years. Given y is older than x by 7 years, means if I add 7 years to x age, let me say here, where x equal to present age of x, y equal to present age of person y. Okay, now 15 years back, so I can say, given, or this can be rewritten as minus x plus y equal to 7. Call this as equation 1. Okay. I'm taking this x to the left side. That is why it is becoming negative. Minus x plus y equal to 7. I'm keeping that as equation 1. 15 years back. 15 years back, x age means 15 years back, x age would have been x minus 15. Okay, that was 3/4 of 15 years back. Y's age would have been y minus 15. So now again cross multiplying, what do we get? We get 4 times x minus 15 is equal to 3 times y minus 15. So let me expand this. I will have 4x minus 60 is equal to 3y minus 45, or 4x minus 3y is equal to 60 minus 45, which means 4x minus 3y equal to 15. Let me call this as our second equation. Now let us compare the first and second equation. I may notice here it is 1x, negative 1x. Here it is positive 4x. That means if I multiply this by 4, I will have negative 4x. Then I can add these two equations. What I will do now, first equation, I am going to multiply it by 4. So what do I get if I do 4 minus 4x, then plus 4y is equal to 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is 28. Call this as third equation. Now I can add second and third equation. Why I am adding? Because these two are opposite in signs. Minus 4x plus 4x. So if I add, that will get nullified. So 2 plus 3 will give me, this and this gets cancelled. 4x minus 3y will become y, and 28 plus 15 becomes 43. So age of person y is 43. What will be age of x? Let me use the first equation. 1 implies minus x plus 43, because plus y it is, plus 43 is equal to what? 7. That means I can bring that 7 to left side. take the negative x to the right side, we will have x is equal to 36. So age of person X is 36, age of person Y is 43 currently now. That is the meaning of that. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Here we may note it is about a 3-digit number problem. Sum of the digits of a 3-digit number is 12. If the digits are reversed, the number is increased by 495, but reversing only the 10th and unit digits increases the number by 36. Find the number. Before we proceed, first of all, let us understand how do we write it in general, a 3-digit number. Let me consider some number. Let us take some 3-digit numbers, some 3-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3 is one number. I can write this 1, 2, 3 as 100 plus 20 plus 3. Means it is 100 times 1 plus 10 times 2 plus 3. Let me take another number. For 456, I can write it as 400 plus 50 plus 60. That, sorry, 6. That can be written as 100 times 4 plus 10 times 5 plus 6. Let us take one more example. Say 789. That can be written as 700 plus 80 plus 9. This again can be generalized as 100 times 7 plus 10 times 8 plus 9. We may notice here in all this 100 is constant, 10 is constant, whereas this whatever I wrote within brackets, that is a variable. Here also let me put a bracket. Whatever I wrote within the brackets, that is a variable. Whatever there is no brackets, that becomes a constant. So in general, a 3-digit number can be expressed as, I said 100 is a constant, whereas the 7, 4, 1, these are variables. I will write x plus 10 is a constant, 8, 5, 2 are variable. That means I'll put y. Then the last, whatever it is, that is also a variable. Let me bring it as z. So there are 3 variables, x, y, and z. And any 3-digit number can be expressed like this as 100x plus 10y plus z. Now, in the question, something are given. What are given? The question says, sum of the digits of a 3-digit number is 12. Let me write that. Given x plus y plus z equal to 12. That is the first thing given in the question. Then what is next given? If the digits are reversed, the number is increased by 495. Means I will say given digits are reversed means 100. Suppose how do you understand digits are reversed? Let us if you consider reverse of this, it is 321. 321 means what happens is z comes first, then comes y, then comes z. So I will have to write it like that. 100z plus 10y plus x. What is this? This is the reversed digit of this, the reversed number of this. Suppose if this is a number, if I have to write it in reverse, I will write z first, then y, then x. That is what I wrote. If the digits are reversed, if the digits are reversed, the number, what is that number? Number is this. The number is, what it says, the number is increased by 495. This number is increased by 495. So I can rewrite this as 100z. Bring that in this particular z to the left side, it becomes minus z. Then 10y, I can cancel 10y, no, both sides. Sorry, no need to write it. We can cancel 10y because it is appearing in both the sides. Okay, plus x. Then take this 100x to the left side. It becomes negative 100x. Will give you 495. And this is 99z minus 99x equal to 495. I think these both the numbers are divisible by 9. If I divide 99 by 9, I get 11. 495 by 9. 9 5s are 45. Again, 9 5s are 45. So you get 55. So let me divide by 9 on both sides. What do we get? 11z minus 11x equal to 55. Yeah, 55. Again, divide by 11 on both sides. So this can be further simplified as z minus x equal to 5. Let me call this, I think we had already considered equation 1. Now I'll call this as equation 2. Then anything else given in the question? Yes. But reversing only the 10th and unit digit means only this 3 will go to 10th place, 2 will come to 100th place. I'm sorry, unit place. It is talking about if I consider this, but reversing only the 10th and unit digit. What is the meaning of that? In case if I consider 123, only these two are getting reversed. Means this becomes 132. If I consider 456, then only these two are getting reversed. Means this becomes now 465. How do you write it in general? So I will say again, given, given what it says, reversing only the 10th and unit digits means first digit will be 100x only, whereas the unit and 10th digit are getting reversed. Means instead of writing 10y, I will write 10x and then writing y. This becomes what? If I reverse only the 10th and unit digit, the number increases by 36. Means this is equal to 100x plus y, I'm sorry, plus 10y plus 10y plus z, and that number is getting increased by how much? It's getting increased by 36, it says. Now 100x I can cancel, which is appearing on both the sides. Here I'm sorry, I should have written 10y, not simply 10. This is 10y. Okay, 100x, since it is appearing on both sides, I cancelled it. Now this can be rewritten as 10z. Bring this z which is there in right side to the left side, it becomes negative z plus y. Take this 10y to the left side, it becomes minus 10y is equal to 36, which means 9z minus 9y equal to 36. Now dividing both sides by 9 on both sides, what do we get? Z minus y equal to 4. Call this as equation 3. Now, if you look into 1, 2, and 3, 1 has got x plus y plus z is 12. Here you have z. Here you have z minus x you have. Here you have z minus y. So for what I can do, I can convert everything into in terms of x. Means I can say this is nothing but z is 5 plus x, isn't it? If I have x, z minus x is equal to 5, I can say z is 5 plus x. Similarly, here I can say it's better. Here also, I can say z I know it is 5 plus x. 5 plus x. I'm copying this. Instead of z, I am putting this 5 plus x. Then minus 4, this 4, I am taking to the left side. It became minus 4. Bring this negative y to the right side. It becomes positive y, which means I can say y is 1 plus x, because 5 minus 4 is 1 plus x. Now you can substitute z for 5 plus x, y for x plus 1, or 5 plus 1 plus x, where in the first equation. First equation, let us do it. What is the first equation? X plus y plus z. X plus y plus z. I will say here, substituting 2 and 3 in 1. This is 12, it is known. So x plus, what is y? It is 1 plus x. What is z? It is 5 plus x is equal to 12. Now what is this? There are 3x plus 6 equal to 12, or I can say 3x equal to 6, which means x is equal to 2. I got x now. Now we can find out what is your y and z. Once you have x with you, you can easily find out y. We know from third equation, y is 1 plus x, which is 1 plus 2, that is 3. And then from second equation means I can say y is 3. Now, second equation is what? Second equation says z is equal to 5 plus x. Z is equal to 5 plus x. So what is that? 5 plus 2, which is 7, which means our z is 7. Therefore, the 3-digit number is 100 times x, 100 times 2 plus 10 times y plus z. So what is that? 237. That is the desired 3-digit number. So in case if you find the contents of this video to be useful, I request you all to please like, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.